You know, there was a time when I thought yoga was just a bunch of people in stretchy pants, bending and twisting in ways that seemed utterly impossible. I'd see them on social media, all serene and blissful, and I'd roll my eyes thinking, that's not for me. But then life threw me a curveball. Back pain that felt like a relentless vice grip, and neck tension that turned my head into a bobblehead. I was desperate for relief, so I decided to give yoga a shot. Little did I know it would become my sanctuary. First, I learned about child's pose. It's so simple, yet so profound. Just kneeling, stretching my arms forward, and sinking into the mat, I could feel the tension melt away. It's like a gentle hug for my spine. Then there's cat-cow. It's a dance of sorts, arching and rounding my back, synchronizing my breath with each movement. It's a reminder that my body can flow, that it doesn't have to be rigid. Next, I discovered downward-facing dog. At first it felt like a challenge, but as I pressed my heels into the ground and lifted my hips, I could feel the stretch in my back and neck. It's invigorating, like a reset button for my entire body. And then there's the Sphinx pose, which is a gentle back bend that opens up my chest and strengthens my spine. It's like a warm embrace from the earth itself. I can't forget about the thread the needle pose. It's a game changer for releasing tension in the shoulders. I'd thread my arm through, feeling the stretch across my upper back, and it's as if all the stress of the day just dissipated. And when I'm really feeling tight, I turn to the seated forward bend. It's grounding, folding forward and letting my head hang heavy, allowing gravity to do its work. The pigeon pose is another favorite. It's intense, but oh, the release it brings to my hips and lower back is worth every second. I can feel the tightness unraveling, and I'm reminded that it's okay to feel discomfort. It's part of the healing process. And let's not overlook the bridge pose. Lifting my hips, I can feel my spine elongating, and it opens my heart too. Finally, I end with corpse pose. It's the ultimate surrender, lying still, letting everything go. In those moments, I realize that yoga isn't just about the poses. It's about listening to my body, honoring its needs, and finding peace amidst the chaos. Each stretch, each breath, it's a reminder that I'm capable of healing, that I can reclaim my body and my life, one pose at a time.